Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This might be like an awkward angle, but I have a Grove collaborative haul, some free products, but it's kind of all thrown in here. So quick story on what happened is I ordered this stuff and it came in a different box. So what I think is this is completely empty. So it leaked everywhere. So the post office had to open the box and take a new box, throw everything inside. They didn't put any packing. This is literally how it came. And then they just cut out the label from the other box and taped it on here. And they didn't even like tape it shut. They like folded in, you know how you could like fold in, tuck in the sides. Super random. I've never had that happen. And looking at this, I'm really surprised they didn't like tape it because I thought they did that in the past and that's how the Honest Company does. But yeah, I guess I'm thankful this is the only thing that leaked. So we'll start there with the leaked product. So I've never had ants in my house and I blame Raylan because she walks around and throws crumbs everywhere. But they started coming in by one of my doors. So I was like, oh, I'll get some of this, try it out. Well, now I can't try it. And this stuff has rosemary oil and some other stuff in it, like soap. So everything is like super coated. So that's kind of gross, but yay. Let's see, what else did I get? So this is a repeat of last time. So this is by Aunt Fanny's, the same brand as the ant wipes, but these are vinegar wipes for cleaning, and this one has a little bit of a lemon scent with it. I got this last time, love them. I also got the spray, love it, and it's safe, so you can use it, you know, clean the high chair, or clean whatever. So love those. Those are a hit. This one isn't actually for me. I don't have granite counters, but my mom does. So I was going to give that to her. It's non-toxic, plant-based, and method. So I'm going to clean that up and give it to her so she can try that. Then this is kind of new. I've never seen anything like this. It's by Grab Green. So this says it's cookware and bakeware cleaner pod. So like if you have burnt on food in your pan or like a Pyrex dish, you put one of these pods in there and you put, I think, warm water in it and you just let it set for a while, and then apparently it just comes out very easily. If there's like dried cheese or whatever on it. So it's all natural ingredients, non-toxic. So all the products, at least, yeah, I think all of them on Grove are all like, you know, natural green products. They have kid stuff, they have diapers, cleaning stuff, toothpaste, shampoo, you name it. I've done several of their hauls in case you're interested. The other ones I've done are probably more put together than this, since this is just like a thrown in box. Speaking of the spray, for the vinegar spray, here's that. Forgot that I ordered a second one, but that's good because I'm almost out. Then I got some 7th generation just dish soap. I don't have a dishwasher, so I go through this stuff like crazy. And to back that up, I also got the jumbo refill, because then that's a lot cheaper when you buy the refills for that. So this one is a lavender, flower, and mint scent, and I think the other one was just free and clear, so nothing too exciting about that. Then I got 7th generation sensitive skin, free and clear laundry detergent. I always get one or two of those. I have sensitive skin, the kids do. So I'm just really bummed that everything leaked on here. Ugh, if you could feel how my hands feel right now, it's gross. Then here's my free product. This I think is supposed to be a room spray bottle. And it came with a, I think, essential oil or something at the bottom there. Let's take a look. So if you spend a certain amount, you get a free product. Now those free products change all the time. I've gotten a variety of things in the past. That's a cute bottle. I like the little pump for that. Well, it's got the thing on it, but I like the little sprayer. And then I did get to pick a scent. There were 3 different options. I don't remember what the other ones were, but this one is lemongrass and verbena. I thought that that would be better. So let's see what you do. Do you just add water? Dispense into 8-ounce Grove glass room spray bottle, fill bottle with water, and replace the nozzle. Yeah. And just shake it and then spritz around your house. Very nice. So that's what I got. Grove Collaborative is a monthly subscription. You don't have to have it sent every month, but I will put their information below. Promo code, I think it saves you like $10 off your order. So I'll have all that below in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.